Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I've just parked up at the spot where I park when I'm going to the beach. So it's been 2 weeks since we've been here, so looking forward to getting out. See you in a bit. So I think Chris has just had a big order come in, Chris from the food station. So I'm just going to get changed in here. And there's the girl in there, waiting for me. 2 weeks, finally got out. I just open up the ramp as quick as I can so that nobody sort of parks right in front of it, but I have had cars park in front of it. So what I've taught her to do, in fact she did it by herself one day, quite by accident. One day she just hopped on from the side. So ever since then I've sort of carried on doing that because I thought, well, that's really handy if we ever, like, you know, get blocked in by a car. But yeah, there's the girl. Waiting. And I'm going to get changed in here. It's nice and private. Laura's being eaten alive by horseflies. They're really, really irritating her. It's quite a cloudy day. Come on, good girl. Here we are.
Open your eyes. Now you see me, now you don't. And we both know that I won't, but I try. Please don't ever leave. Let me take it all away.
It's the Bourne Arms. I want to come here one day. The plan was to always come here with my friend, just to stop off with the horses, get a little, I don't know, drink, a coffee, cake. So it's a little notice board. So pretty. I think they have the bikers here on a Wednesday. It's like a bikers night. It's so pretty, the little setup right next to the beach. This is going to sound crazy. I thought the ferry that takes you to Manxman, to the Isle of Man, was like £2, and I checked, it was like £120. I got the shock of my life. So that's a Londoner for you. So stupid. I didn't realise. I looked up the prices for going to the Isle of Man. So obviously the ferry that goes to the Isle of Man is that ferry in the distance. It's massive. And so the ferry that takes you across to Fleetwood is just like this small little tub. I say that, but sometimes, come Laura, go there. Sometimes the waves here are like so dangerous. It's like when the tide's completely in, it's like rocking like mad. I'm talking quite low because there's people around me, so I might do a voiceover. Hello. Can you see the Manxman? The ferry in the distance. Going to the Isle of Man from Heysham. I can talk nice and loud here, but there might be a bit of wind, so yeah. There it is over there, you can see it. So yeah, I used to think it's like a couple of pounds, and then I checked online, it's like 150. Oh my god. Tide's due in at 3:30 today. And it's about maybe 11.
Please don't ever leave. Let me take it all away. Yet the words you used to say turned into lies. Sing to me and we'll dance out in the streets and believe that I'm right here by your side. Tell me something with your eyes. Please don't say goodbye. There was a time when I held your hand in mine. I keep looking for a sign under the stars. Line after line, day by day, night by night, as you faded out of sight, I went too far.
Back at the horse box, but not home yet. She was too hot to be eating, so I took like 90% of her food away. She's had water though, plenty. So I got this delicious almond slice from Chris's food station, and he very kindly came over and he was explaining to me that exactly where we were all sat, where the lorry was parked and where we all were, that at one time, that's me just showing my Coke and almond slice. Yeah, you'll see Chris in a minute. But he was explaining to me that at one time it was all under the ocean. It was all under, when the tide came in, it was in the sea. So that was really interesting. I'll just insert a photo here of Chris.